Hi everyone, I'm Cody at W3AMG with BridgeCom Systems, and today we're going to be showing you how to set up a Brandmeister account. Now, if you want to use your DMR radio to talk to people all around the world, you will have to have an account with some kind of network, especially if you're using a hotspot device. That could be Brandmeister, TGIF, or a variety of others. We tend to go with Brandmeister just because they're the largest one and you can reach the most people that way. So let's check it out. So go ahead and open up a web browser. Now, no matter what network you're using, it'll be a similar process. Now we're going to go to brandmeister.network. Once you're here, go ahead and click on register. Now, if you already have an account, you can just log in, but in this case, we'll register. And at this point, enter in all of your information. So you put your call sign, email address. You'll want to select this being a personal account. Your password, create yourself a password. And then what is the wavelength of UHF band in centimeters? That's going to be 7D. And then obviously your DMR ID. Now, if you don't have one of these yet, go to radioid.net and they will help you get set up. Then just verify you're not a robot. Click register. You'll probably have to verify your email address after that. Just click the link that they email you. After that, you are all good. So in this case, I have an account, so I'm just going to go log in. We'll put in my information here. Awesome, here we go. So we are inside of the Brandmeister account. So there's a lot of awesome information here. Now, for a lot of you, what you will want to do is set it up to work with your hotspot. Now, to do that, what you'll do is go to Services and then Self-Care. Now, under this section, there's a place called Hotspot Security down here. Now, you will want to create yourself a hotspot security password. If you're using a hotspot, like the SkyBridge, you will actually need a hotspot security password to make it work right. So just go ahead and create one. Once you enter it, you'll click Save, and it will work. Now, it's going to show up as blank once you hit Save. Don't worry, it took your password, and you are ready to rock and roll now. Now, once you have that password created, what you'll do is in your Pi-Star configuration for your hotspot, you'll scroll down here all the way to the bottom under the DMR configuration panel where it says Hotspot Security. You'll go ahead and enter your password there. Now, if you're purchasing a plug-and-play package from us, we will actually do all the hard part in the setup on your Brandmeister account. So all you will need to do is just create the account and then just give us your Brandmeister account information and we'll take care of the rest and set up your hotspot.